नमस्ते फेरि पनि यहाँहरूलाई हाम्रो यस च्यानलमा धेरै धेरै स्वागत छ। आजको यस भिडियोमा पनि हामीहरूले हाम्रो दैनिक जीवनमा एकदमै युजफुल हुने अंग्रेजी नयाँ वाक्यहरू सिक्नेछौँ। ल सुरु गरिहालौँ है त। के भने उनीहरूले? What did they say? What did they say? उनीहरूले के भने? What did they say? यो मेरो गल्ती होइन। It's not my fault. It's not my fault. यो मेरो गल्ती होइन। It's not my fault. यसमा समय लाग्नेछ। It will take time. It will take time. यसमा समय लाग्नेछ। It will take time. अब के भयो? What happened now? What happened now? अब के भयो? What happened now? क्या बास्ना छ? What a fragrance. What a fragrance. क्या बास्ना छ? What a fragrance. मेरो खुट्टा सुन्न भयो. My leg got numb. My leg got numb. मेरो खुट्टा सुन्न भयो. My leg got numb. अँध्यारो हुँदैछ. It is getting dark. अथवा It's getting dark. It is getting dark. It's getting dark. अँध्यारो हुँदैछ. यो कसको मोबाइल हो? Whose mobile is this? Whose mobile is this? यो मोबाइल कसको हो? Whose mobile is this? के तिमी पर्खिन सक्दैनथ्यौ? Couldn't you wait? Couldn't you wait? अथवा could not you wait? के तिमी पर्खिन सक्दैनथ्यौ? Couldn't you wait? तिमीलाई म फोन गर्दै थिएँ. I was calling you. I was calling you. म तिमीलाई फोन गर्दै थिएँ. I was calling you. मसँग निहु नखोज. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. मसँग निहु नखोज. Don't mess with me. बुवा घरमा हुनुहुन्छ? Is father at home? Is father at home? के बुवा घरमा हुनुहुन्छ? Is father at home? आफ्नो जुत्ता लगाउनुस्. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. आफ्नो जुत्ता लगाउनुस्. के सामान राम्रो छ? Is the stuff good? Is the stuff good? के सामान राम्रो छ? Is the stuff good? आफ्नो कपडा लगाउनुस्. Wear your clothes. Wear your clothes. आफ्नो कपडा लगाउनुस्. Wear your clothes. म खस्नबाट बचे. I escaped falling. I escaped falling. म खस्नबाट बचे. I escaped falling. यो उसको माथि छ. This up to him. This up to him. यो उसको माथि छ. This up to him. मुख्य मुद्दामा आउनुस्. Come to the point. Come to the point. मुख्य मुद्दामा आउनुस्. Come to the point. मलाई आदेश दिन बन्द गर. Stop lecturing me. Stop lecturing me. मलाई आदेश दिन बन्द गर. Stop lecturing me. यस्तो केही पनि थिएन. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. यस्तो केही पनि थिएन. Nothing like that. आजको दिन राम्रो भयो. It was a good day. It was a good day. आजको दिन राम्रो भयो. It was a good day. कसैलाई नभन है. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. कसैलाई नभन. Don't tell anyone. म घुम्न गएँ. I went for a walk. I went for a walk. म घुम्न गए. I went for a walk. Roti bella. Roll the roti. Roll the roti. Roti bella. यो हजुरको होइन. This is not yours. This is not yours. यो हजुरको होइन. This is not yours. मलाई सबै थाहा छ. I know everything. I know everything. I know everything. मलाई सबै थाहा छ. I know everything. आफ्नो जुत्ता लगाउनुस्. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. आफ्नो जुत्ता लगाउनुस्. के सबै आइसके? Has everyone come? Has everyone come? के सबै आइसके? Has everyone come? के तिमीसँग पेन छ? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? के तिमीसँग पेन छ? Do you have a pen? केही नभन्नुस्. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. केही नभन्नुस्. Don't say anything. हजुर कहिले आउनुभयो? When did you come? When did you come? हजुर कहिले आउनुभयो? When did you come? ऊ भित्र गइसक्यो. He is gone inside. He is gone inside. ऊ भित्र गइसक्यो. He is gone inside. सब मेरो गल्ती हो. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. यो सबै मेरो गल्ती हो. यो सबै मेरो गल्ती हो. It's all my fault. हामीलाई कसरी थाहा हुन्छ? How would we know? How would we know? हामीलाई कसरी थाहा हुन्छ? How would we know? मेरो हात छोड. Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand. मेरो हात छोड. मलाई के गर्नु पर्छ? What should I do? What should I do? मैले के गर्नु पर्छ? What should I do? म पिसाब फेर्न चाहन्छु. I want to urinate. I want to urinate. म पिसाब फेर्न चाहन्छु. I want to urinate. राम कसरी खेल्छ? How does Ram play? How does Ram play? राम कसरी खेल्छ? How does Ram play? तिमी कहिले आयौ? When did you come? When did you come? तिमी कहिले आयौ? When did you come? मेरो पिछा गर्न बन्द गर. Stop following me. Stop following me. मेरो पिछा गर्न बन्द गर. Stop following me. यसले केही फरक पर्दैन. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. यसले केही फरक पर्दैन. It doesn't matter. तिमीले भन्न खोजेको के हो? What do you mean? What do you mean? तिमीले भन्न खोजेको के हो? What do you mean? ऊ के गर्छ? What does he do? What does he do? What does he do? ऊ के गर्छ? What does he do? You won't change. तिमी सुध्रिने छैनौ. तिमी सुध्रिने छैनौ. You won't change. You won't change. तिमी सुध्रिने छैनौ. यो चाहिँ देखाऊ. Show me that one. Show me that one. त्यो चाहिँ देखाऊ. Show me that one. समय कति भयो? What is the time? What is the time? समय कति भयो? What is the time? यस बारेमा सोच्नुस्. Think about it. Think about it. यसको बारेमा सोच्नुस्. Think about it. मेरो मतलब यो होइन. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. मेरो मतलब यो होइन. I didn't mean it. मलाई परेशान नगर. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. मलाई परेशान नगर. Don't disturb me. को जाँदैन. Who all don't go? Who all don't go? को जाँदैन. Who all don't go? ऊ भर्खर बाहिर गयो. ऊ भर्खरै बाहिर गयो. He just went out. He just went out. ऊ भर्खरै बाहिर गयो. He just went out. ऊ भर्खर बाहिर गयो. म सबै बुझिहालेँ. I got everything. I got everything. म सबै बुझिहालेँ. I got everything. अब हजुरलाई कस्तो छ? How are you now? How are you now? अब हजुरलाई कस्तो छ? How are you now? झ्याल बन्द गर. Close the window. Close the window. झ्याल बन्द गर. Close the window. के तिमीलाई याद छ? Do you remember? Do you remember? के तिमीलाई याद छ? Do you remember? उसले कल गरेको थियो. He had called. He had called. उसले कल गरेको थियो. He had called. काठमाडौँ कति टाढा छ? How far is Kathmandu? How far is Kathmandu? काठमाडौँ कति टाढा छ? How far is Kathmandu? म कस्ती लाग्दैछु? How am I looking? How am I looking? म कस्ती देखिँदैछु? How am I looking? मेरो मतलब यो होइन. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. मेरो मतलब यो होइन. आफूले आफूलाई कन्ट्रोल गर. Control yourself. Control yourself. आफूले आफूलाई कन्ट्रोल गर. Control yourself. म चिया पिउँदैन. I don't take tea. I don't take tea. म चिया पिउँदैन. I don't take tea. मलाई आफूमा गर्व छ. I'm proud of me. I'm proud of me. मलाई आफूमा गर्व छ. I'm proud of me. म धेरै खुसी छु. I'm flying high. I'm flying high. म धेरै खुसी छु. I'm flying high. म धेरै खुसी छु. म चाहन्छु तिमी यो गर. I want you do it. I want you do it. म चाहन्छु तिमी यो गर. I want you do it. मलाई चिसो लाग्दैछ. I'm feeling cold. I'm feeling cold. मलाई चिसो लाग्दैछ. I'm feeling cold. I'm feeling cold. मलाई चिसो लाग्दैछ. तिमीलाई भेटेर खुसी लाग्यो. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. तिमीलाई भेटेर खुसी लाग्यो. Glad to meet you. सधैँ जसो as usual. As usual. सधैँ जस्तो. बिस्तारै खाऊ. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. बिस्तारै खाऊ. धेरै होइन. Not much. Not much. धेरै होइन. नसोध. Don't ask. Don't ask. नसोध. मम्मीसँग सोध. Ask mother. Ask mother. मम्मीसँग सोध. कम से कम. At least. At least. कम से कम. हात माथि गर. Hands up. Hands up. हात माथि गर. हात तल गर. Hands down. Hands down. हात तल गर. नहिचकिचाऊ. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. नहिचकिचाऊ. ध्यान राख. Take care. Take care. ध्यान राख. कुरा गर्न बन्द गर. Stop talking. Stop talking. कुरा गर्न बन्द गर. यो लैजाऊ. Carry this. Carry this. यो लैजाऊ. मलाई उत्तर देऊ. Answer me. Answer me. मलाई उत्तर देऊ. सकारात्मक बन. Be positive. Be positive. सकारात्मक बन. मलाई खोज. Find me. Find me. मलाई खोज. मलाई भन. Tell me. Tell me. मलाई भन मम्मीलाई भन टेल मम्मी मम्मीलाई भन अगाडि हेर लुक अहेड अगाडि हेर केही गर डु समथिङ केही गर केही नगर डु नथिङ केही नगर मेरो गल्ती हो माई ब्याड मेरो गल्ती हो मैले भने आई सेड मैले भने खाना खाऊ have food खाना खाऊ एक पटक भन tell me once एक पटक भन तिमी गर्न सक्छौ you can तिमी गर्न सक्छौ एक पटक अरु once more एक पटक अरु रुन धुन बन्द गर stop fussing रुन धुन बन्द गर मलाई देखाऊ show me मलाई देखाऊ ठीक छ all right ठीक छ खुसी रहनुस् be happy खुसी रहनुस् मलाई भन tell me मलाई भन यो भन्दा पहिले before 8 यो भन्दा पहिले उसलाई दिउ give him उसलाई दिउ उसलाई गाली गर scold him उसलाई गाली गर नजिक आऊ get closer नजिक आऊ यो मेटाऊ erase it यो मेटाऊ उसलाई ढकल push him उसलाई ढकल यसलाई ढकल push it यसलाई ढकल यो आफूतिर तान pull it यो आफूतिर तान गति कम गर slow down गति कम गर बिस्तारै चलाऊ drive slowly बिस्तारै चलाऊ फुटाइदेऊ break up फुटाइदेऊ जोडा fix it यो जोडा ठीक गर fix it यो ठीक गर यो सम्हाल handle this यो सम्हाल यहाँ ध्यान देऊ focus here यहाँ ध्यान देऊ तर किन but why तर किन अहिले होइन not now अहिले होइन के बकवास हो what nonsense के बकवास हो धुम्रपान छोड्नुस् quit smoking धुम्रपान छोड्नुस् सावधान रहनुस् be careful सावधान रहनुस् केही समस्या छैन no problem केही समस्या छैन पुनः प्रयास गर्नुहोस् try again पुनः प्रयास गर्नुहोस् सहयोग पठाउनुहोस् send help सहयोग पठाउनुहोस् तल राख्नुहोस् put down तल राख्नुहोस् भित्रै बस्नुहोस् stay inside भित्रै बस्नुहोस् बाहिरै बस्नुहोस् stay outside बाहिर बस्नुहोस्